friends, let us continue with our previous topic, that is sphere. Now see some more examples on sphere. Find the equation of sphere which passes through 4 points. So let us suppose that the required equation of sphere is this. So consider here a sphere, and let us suppose that this sphere passes through 4 points. So clearly the 4 point lies on the sphere. So definitely the coordinates of sphere must satisfy with all these four coordinates. So let us replace here x, y, z by these 4 points. You will get these 4 equations, and you can solve these 4 equations simultaneously to find value of u, v, w and d. Substitute all these value of u, v, w and d in equation 1. So we get required equation of sphere. Now next similar problem. Okay, show that the equation of sphere passing through these 4 points is this, and also we have to determine radius. So let us suppose that equation of sphere through origin, our first point is 0, 0, 0. So clearly constant term will be 0. So let us suppose that equation of sphere is this. Since it passes through these 3 points again, so coordinates of these 3 points must satisfy equation of sphere. You will get these 3 equations. Now let us simplify these 3 equations. Just subtract equation 1 from 2, 2 point from 3 and 3 from 1. You will get value of u, v and w. Substitute value of this twice u, twice v and twice w in this equation. So we will get equation of sphere. Now we can find radius, which is given by this formula. So you will get this result here for radius. Now next problem. A sphere of radius k passes through the origin and meets the coordinate axis in the point ABC. Prove that the centroid of triangle ABC lies on this plane. So let us suppose that a sphere of radius k passes through origin and meets the axis in ABC. So clearly on the x-axis y and z is 0, similarly for y and z. And any sphere through origin is given by this. Now this sphere passes through these 3 points. So we get these 3 results here. So from here we can find u, v and w. Substitute value of twice u, twice v, twice w here. So it is our sphere. Radius is given by this. But we have given radius equal to k. So from this we'll get a square plus b square plus c square equal to 4k square. Now let us suppose that alpha, beta, gamma, they are the coordinates of centroid of triangle ABC, with ABC are this. So by centroid formula, it is alpha, beta, gamma, from where we can find A, B and C, and substitute this ABC here. So we get x square, that is a square plus b square plus c square equal to, substitute here. So we'll get a square plus b square plus c square equal to 4k square. That is 9 times this equal to 4k square. But look, we have to generalize the coordinate. Just replace alpha, beta, gamma. So we'll get required equation of locus. Then similar problem. A variable plane passes through a fixed point and cuts the coordinate axis in the point ABC. So we have to find locus of center of sphere. So let the variable plane cuts the coordinate axis in these 3 points. So by using intercept form, we can take equation of plane is this here. But this plane passes through this fixed point. So we can replace xyz by ABC. Now let us suppose that equation of sphere through ABC, of sphere ABC through O is given by this. This passes through the point A, B and C. So in the similar way, it is twice U, twice V and twice W. So equation of sphere will become this here. Now we can find center by this formula, minus U minus V minus W, that is alpha by 2, beta by 2 and gamma by 2. If x, y, z, they are the center of a sphere, then x will be this, y is this, z is this. From here we can get alpha, beta, gamma. Now put the value of alpha, beta, gamma in equation number 2. So we will get this result here. So it is our required locus of center of sphere. Then next, obtain the equation of a sphere circumscribing the tetrahedron whose faces are given by these three planes and a fourth plane. So the given faces of tetrahedron are, number one is x equal to 0. The x equal to 0 you know very well, it is yz plane. Y equal to 0, it is xz plane. Z equal to 0, it is xy plane. And a fourth plane, you know, you can see here this fourth plane A, B, C, which is in the front side. So these are the floor plane and they together forms a tetrahedron. So the four vertices of tetrahedron are O, A, B and C as shown here. So thus the required sphere passes through these 4 points. First is passes through origin, so we can take this. Again this passes through these 3 points. In the similar way we can find equation of sphere. Now next is find the equation of sphere which passes through these 3 points and whose matlab center of sphere, whose center lies on the plane. So let us suppose that required equation is this, center is this here, but according to condition, the center of the sphere, it lies on the plane. The coordinates of center must satisfy equation of plane. So we can replace x, y, z in equation of plane by minus u, minus v and minus w. You will get this result. Again the sphere passes through these 3 points. To replace this equation number 1 in x, y, z by these 3 points, you will get these 3 equations. Solve equation 2 and this system of 3 equations. You will get value of u, v, w, d, and again we can find equation of sphere. Now next example is show that the equation of sphere passing through these 3 points and having its center on this plane is this. It is similar to last problem which we have done here. So you can try yourself this. It will be our final result. So let me stop here now.